Hey everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use QR code on Imo. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Imo app on your phone. You should see the main screen with your chats and contacts. Step 2. Tap on your account picture at the top left corner of the screen. This will open your profile page where you can see your name, phone number, and QR code. Step 3. Tap on the QR icon next to your name. This will show you your own QR code that you can share with others. You can also save it to your gallery or copy it to your clipboard. Step 4. To add a friend using QR code, tap on the scan icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the camera and allow you to scan someone else's QR code. Step 5. Once you scan or select a QR code, you will see the profile of the person you want to add. Tap on the Add button to send them a friend request. You can also send them a message or start a video call right away. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.